Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your function key are not working properly. So if your function key like F1 or F2 or F3 etc are now working on your keyboard, I am going to show an image guys on the screen of a keyboard. You want to tap the F1 key on your keyboard as well as escape key at the same time. Hold down escape and F1 on the keyboard at the same time, so just tap them both at the same time and then hopefully the function key should resume their functionality as expected. And if you are still having a problem in the some certain combination on your Microsoft Surface based computers, you may have to toggle the F1 and caps lock key at the same time. I show you guys in the image in my video. Should be either one or the other of the combination. So F1 and escape or F1 or caps lock should be resolve your problem guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problem guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks you guys.